Here's a quick tip here. We've got this door hinge. That screw there will tighten. That one there will. See these here? Totally loose, look. Just spinning in the timber. So there's nothing behind there to fix into. Some people just opt for putting longer screws in, but I think these are about 2 inch long. Anyway, so I'll show you the proper way to repair this. Right, I've taken the screws out and just opened that hinge back, so it's this hole here and this one here which isn't, the screw's not gripping into. So all I've got here is just a couple of little wooden dowels. I think they're about 10mm diameter. No, probably 8mm diameter. So there's my 8mm drill bit that I'm going to use. I'm just going to drill this hole out. 8mm. Oh, in fact that's the reason why this whole frame's loose. We'll drill that out anyway. This whole frame's split, so I'm going to have to put some extra screws in there. I'll sort that out first. Okay, I've secured the frame from the outside. I've put some screws through, so back to the original repair. So they're drilled out now, 8mm. Got a little wooden dowel, a little bit of wood glue on. I'm just going to pop that in there, like so. I'll do the same with that top one. There's the 2 wooden dowels in, bit of wood glue on. Just going to tap them in now. Flush to the frame, like that. Just wipe the excess glue off. I've refitted the hinges there with the 2 screws there and there which were gripping, so now we've got some nice new wood, these wooden dowels behind here. So we just need to pop a pilot hole in. Like that. Like that. Now the screws straight into the pilot hole. And they should grip nice and solid now. In fact, that's there we go, really solid. There, they've gripped nice and tight. Job done.